Hello everyone and welcome back to Mooncap Crypto. So in this video we are again going to check out SATO the dog product. You can see that it's built onto the base chain. So before going further into the video, I'm going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. This video is for educational purposes. So the reason of making this another video is that this team had done a lot of partnerships. So some partnerships are with the footballers, some famous footballers. So this is a really big news. So I decided to make another video about this product. So guys, the first partnership they had done is with Vision Football Factory. You can check out, it's a sports club in England. You can check out the address, phone number, as well as the details are given on the Google, and you can search it out as well. So this is a really big partnership. SATO had done celebrity endorsements as well. So if you search Troy Denny, he's a famous footballer, English footballer. Troy Matthew Denny is an English professional footballer who plays as a striker. So if you're a footballer, you can check out this product as well. SATO the dog product has done partnership with football. So here is the second footballer, which is an ex-Birmingham Football FC player, Harley Dean. You can search him on the Google and you can check out the details as well. So Harley James Dean is an English professional footballer who plays as a center back, most recently for EFL League 1 club trading. So you can check it out as well. So this is a really big celebrity endorsement, so that product is working really hard. So coming back to the side, you can check out a small introduction again. If you want to check detailed video, you can check out the first video as well. SATO is a decentralized meme coin born on base network and originally launched with minimal utility beyond its meme value. After a period of abandonment by the original developers, the product was revived by passionate community of holders who refused to let SATO fade in obscurity. So you can check out the details as well. Also, you can check out the token contract address as well as buy it onto the Uniswap, as well as CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap listings are already done. So make sure you check out the gallery as well as the NFT features as well. So the main reason of making this video is to tell you about the celebrity endorsements as well as Vision Football Club is included into this product, and they had signed officially a partnership deal. So this is really good for the product. So make sure you check out this amazing product. If you are a dog lover, you can also participate into this product because guys, they had done a big charity partnership with Puerto Rico, a charity called the SATO product, which helps dogs rescue. So if you're a dog lover, you can participate into this product as well and rescue dogs as well. So this is really good. Also make sure to join the social media handles because the team is working really hard and they will do more partnerships into the future. So make sure you came to know about the partnerships as early as possible by joining the social media handles. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.